What if the smartest turbine aircraft isn't the flashiest one on the ramp, but the one that gets you where you need to go without drama or excess? That idea defines the Piper Meridian, now the Piper M500. Its name and technology evolved, but its purpose never did, making turbine travel practical, predictable, and usable. In a market obsessed with bigger and louder, that's why the M500 remains underestimated. Why people still call it the Meridian. Even though Piper rebranded the aircraft as the M500, the aviation world still calls it the Meridian. Not because people are confused, but because the original identity stuck. The Meridian name became associated with something very specific, a pressurized, single-engine turboprop that behaves more like a serious transportation tool than a lifestyle statement. The M500 is the evolution of that same idea. It didn't reinvent the concept, it refined it. Piper didn't chase trend cycles or marketing hype. Instead, they quietly improved the avionics, refined the systems, and leaned harder into reliability and workload reduction. The result is an airplane that feels less like a toy and more like a tool. The meaning behind $4 million. The phrase $4 million Piper Meridian often triggers skepticism, and understandably so. Spend a few minutes browsing used aircraft listings and you'll quickly notice that many M500s trade in the low to mid $2 million range depending on year, hours, and equipment. So where does the $4 million narrative come from? The answer lies in the difference between market shorthand and ownership reality. A factory new Piper M500, once configured with modern avionics, premium interior options, paint, training, delivery costs, and taxes, pushes well into the high $3 million range. In real-world terms, rounding that number to $4 million isn't exaggeration, it's context. The key point isn't the exact number. The point is what that number buys you compared to everything else in the turbine world. And this is where the M500 starts quietly embarrassing much louder airplanes. The engine that carries the reputation. At the center of the M500 is the engine that needs no sales pitch, the Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A42A. Flat rated at 500 shaft horsepower, this engine is less about raw power and more about trust. In turbine aviation, trust matters more than speed bragging rights. The PT6 family has powered aircraft across every conceivable environment on Earth. It is known for predictability, durability, and an unmatched global support network. For owners, that translates into confidence. For insurers, it translates into acceptance. For pilots, it translates into peace of mind. The M500's engine management is designed to reduce pilot workload rather than inflate complexity. This is not a machine that expects you to wrestle with it. It expects discipline, planning, and respect, and rewards those qualities with consistency. Performance that lives in the real world. The Piper M500 cruises at approximately 260 knots true airspeed, a number that places it firmly in the territory where trips stop feeling like adventures and start feeling like logistics. At that speed, regional travel becomes efficient enough to replace airline schedules while still remaining flexible enough to use smaller airports. With a maximum operating altitude of 30,000 feet, the M500 earns its pressurization. This altitude capability is not about ego, it's about weather. Being able to climb above turbulence, icing layers, and convective clutter changes how often you can actually go when you plan to go. Range tells the rest of the story. With approximately 1,000 nautical miles available with proper reserves, the M500 comfortably handles the kinds of trips most owners actually fly. It doesn't chase transcontinental fantasies, it masters regional dominance. Runways decide ownership, not cruise speed. One of the most overlooked advantages of the M500 is its runway performance. Takeoff and landing distances sit comfortably within the limits of many general aviation airports that jets and larger turboprops simply can't use without compromise. This matters because access is the true luxury of aviation. Being able to operate from shorter runways means being able to land closer to your actual destination. It means bypassing airline hubs, ground congestion, and wasted hours. The M500 doesn't just move fast in the air, it saves time on the ground. Pressurization that changes passenger psychology. Pressurization is not just a comfort feature, it's a mindset shift. The M500's pressurized cabin allows high-altitude cruise without subjecting passengers to fatigue, oxygen cannulas, or constant discomfort. For non-pilots, this is often the moment when flying stops feeling like small airplane travel and starts feeling like real transportation. At altitude, conversations are easier, fatigue is reduced, and the flight experience becomes calmer. For owners flying family, college colleagues, or clients, this matters more than another 10 knots of cruise speed, payload reality, and honest capability. The M500 offers a useful load that allows real decision-making instead of constant compromise. With full fuel available and meaningful payload remaining, owners are not forced into unrealistic planning games. While no aircraft in this class magically ignores physics, the M500 strikes a balance that works for how people actually travel. This is not an airplane designed to impress on paper while disappointing in practice. It is engineered to deliver predictable missions, not optimistic marketing promises. A cockpit designed for work, not worship. The Garmin G1000 NXi suite defines the modern M500 cockpit. This avionics package is not cutting edge because it wants attention. It is cutting edge because it reduces workload. Synthetic vision, integrated weather, traffic awareness, and a highly capable autopilot system turn long flights into managed processes rather than endurance tests. The cockpit philosophy is clear. The airplane does not demand heroics. It encourages professionalism. The systems are there to help pilots make better decisions, not to inflate ego or complexity. All-weather intentions, not all-weather ego. The presence of known icing protection on the Piper M500 is not about bravado or pushing limits for the sake of proving something. It represents a quiet but meaningful shift from fair-weather flying to serious transportation. Real-world flying rarely unfolds under perfect forecasts. Weather systems evolve, cloud layers build faster than predicted, and icing conditions can appear where they weren't expected an hour earlier. The M500 is designed with this reality in mind. It does not encourage pilots to seek out hazardous conditions or treat weather as a challenge to conquer. Instead, it provides a safety margin that allows informed decisions to remain flexible as conditions change. That flexibility is often what separates a completed trip from a canceled one. In practice, it means fewer last-minute diversions, fewer unnecessary overnight delays, and a greater ability to adapt without compromising safety. The airplane isn't selling invincibility, it's selling preparedness, and that distinction matters. Why the M500 feels different to own. Owners of the Piper M500 often describe their relationship with the airplane in noticeably calm terms. There is little of the performative enthusiasm or justification that sometimes accompanies complex aircraft ownership. Instead, there is a sense of quiet confidence. That tone comes from the way the M500 fits into an owner's life rather than demanding constant attention. The systems are sophisticated, but they are not temperamental. The airplane does not constantly remind you that it is expensive, complex, or delicate. Maintenance planning follows predictable turbine logic rather than surprise-driven anxiety. Training is structured, standardized, and aligned with how the airplane is actually flown, not how marketing imagines it might be flown. Support infrastructure exists, and it is familiar to mechanics and operators around the world. Nothing about the M500 feels experimental or transitional. It feels like a finished idea, an aircraft that knows what it is and does not need to reinvent itself every few years to stay relevant. The underrated advantage of being sensible. In aviation culture, sensible is often used as a backhanded compliment. It is mistaken for dullness or a lack of ambition, but sensible airplanes tend to be the ones that fly the most, not the least. The M500 embraces this philosophy unapologetically. It does not chase luxury extremes that inflate cost without improving utility. It does not pursue headline performance numbers that look impressive, but rarely matter in everyday operations. Instead, it prioritizes dispatch reliability, manageable ownership complexity, and consistent mission success. Those priorities don't photograph well, but they matter deeply over years of ownership. The result is an airplane that may be less flashy than its competitors, but far more cooperative. Sensibility in this context is not about compromise. It is about alignment between what the airplane promises and what it actually delivers. Why it remains one of aviation's best-kept secrets. The Piper M500 lives in an uncomfortable middle ground. It's too capable to be dismissed as entry-level and too understated to dominate headlines. It doesn't shout, it delivers. In a world where aviation marketing increasingly prioritizes spectacle, the M500 quietly continues doing what it was designed to do, moving people efficiently, safely, and predictably. Most airplanes try to impress you before they ever earn your trust. The Piper M500 does the opposite. It earns it quietly, one flight at a time. And once you understand that, it's hard to unsee why this airplane has been hiding in plain sight. If you enjoy this video, like and subscribe.